A quick grammar lesson on mastering on as a preposition of time. The word on as a preposition is used for days, dates, and specific parts of the day. For example, I perform on Friday nights. She was born on the 21st. We were attacked on New Year's Day. I cleaned my windows on Wednesday. On is used for smaller, more specific dates and times. She was born on the 12th of the 2nd, 2022. I gig on Friday nights. I graduated on Tuesday. On Thursday night, I perform magic. On April the 1st, I was crowned champion. We play tennis on Sundays. Let's look at some more examples. On is used in the phrase on time, which means not late. I've been on time all this week. It's used when talking about days of the week, specific days, or dates. I always make the kids burgers and cookies on Saturday. It is used in the structure on plus day plus part of the day. I work as an Elvis impersonator on Sunday nights. And finally, on is used for specific holidays like Christmas Day, Easter Sunday, and bank holidays. I always go for a swim on bank holidays. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.